we want to build a drift truck. But here's the issue. We don't have any money. We're going to take the dual wishbone suspension of the Miata, and then we're going to stick them up inside this LUV.
Something happened. That's why you don't buy cars in Ohio. I don't know. Maybe just don't stand under it. Just whatever happens, happens.
This is my rusty Datsun 280ZX that you might remember from the Tail of the Dragon series where we stole the rear diff out of it and put it in my Datsun 240Z. That foot stuck. Oh. The L28 in this car is known for its robust, high revving, and reliable construction. Its ability to handle any mods like turbocharging, high compression, cams, all solidify it as a very tunable engine. All of this, along with its strong aftermarket support, have solidified its legendary status with car enthusiasts. Plus, it sounds absolutely amazing. And we're gonna be cramming all this in here. Because we're building a drift truck, and we have no money. And that's an engine that we have now for free.
Welcome to All Win Auto.
All right, guys, this is some of the obstacles we're gonna have to overcome with this thing. Get on there! For one, all of this, all the vacuum actuated stuff, emissions related stuff, it's gonna have to go. We also, the LUV is cable clutch.
Oh.
Yeah, the LUV is cable clutch. This drivetrain is gonna require a hydraulic clutch or some type of hybrid between. So the question is, how are we gonna take this L28 4-speed setup that requires a hydraulic clutch, put it in our car, and somehow get the hydraulic clutch system working in the LUV, which was originally cable clutch? If you have any ideas, let us know. I'm thinking a couple options might be cut the firewall out of this and weld that section in there, but that'll be requiring some pedal assembly work. If you guys have any insight or recommendations, put them in the comments right now, because that'll be coming up soon, trying to get that set up. Somebody needs to get to yanking all this assembly off to the throttle body, get that clear. We need to get the radiator out, fans out, shrouds out, and then somebody needs to get inside and start pulling surrounds around the shifter so we can pop the shifter out of the way. So we can yank the whole thing out the front. It's gonna be easy.
Easy.
Yeah, for sure.
Give us 25 minutes.
Well, for you, it'll be, I'm gonna say 7 minutes from now. The engine will be out. Real time, 48 minutes. Video time, 7 minutes.
Timer started.
Let's do it.
Let's get to it. You know the best thing for Datsun bolt bucket?
Oh, a Datsun valve cover.
Datsun valve.
It's already 25% full.
Yeah, it's got some in there already. It's already Datsun stuff, so should fit right in. Oh, we can't cut wiring.
No.
We need the harness.
I heard you flip your knife out too. You're excited.
I know, I was like, I got this. I feel better. I know. How do they work? Do they go left and right too? Well,
Oh, I'm getting these rusty screws out of this center console so I can take the shifter assembly apart and unbolt so we can drop it down when taking the engine and transmission out. Oh, I think I'm gonna need a drill in a bit, probably a couple of days.
It smells terrible in here.
Or it does, it's horrible. It smells so bad. Should have taken the other job. Should have taken the other job.
Nothing to do with emissions.
whoa, those hoses are really nice.
Really nice power steering hoses?
Yeah, they're like very hydraulic slip fitting lines. They're super nice. Interesting.
I wonder what year the LUV is actually from.
When was it designed?
Like what year was that truck designed? Like, so I imagine it's based off of something older and they just carried the design over.
Well, the LUV was around a lot longer than 70, or 80 when that one started longer. Whoa, those are sick. Did you see these? They up, down, and left and right.
Whoa.
They're joysticks.
Wow. That's cool.
They're chrome. What could we make it do? I wish I could hook it up to the Buick's air suspension. Up, down, for the whole thing. You can make the car go up, make the car go down, then make the car go tss, tss. That'd be sick.
It's so well bolted down.
What do you do? What a contraption. It's got vacuum lines? What in the world? Here's the little light guy.
There we go. Does it still door? Oh yeah, it still doors. There's a door in there. It's silly. Oh, I cut the harness. Oh no.
You cut it so good,
I
too.
cut it so good.
I think that's headlight. Scott, you know what this does?
No.
You ever seen anything like it?
Looks like some kind of capacitor.
Flux. Full of flux.
Yeah. That.
There's no flux left in that capacitor.
No, it's fluxless.
Capacitor has.
It's got no more flux left to give.
Getting ready to take off the electric turbo. Look at this thing. Just mounts right there. A couple wires. Whoosh whoosh. Turbo.
Yeah, I bet that was nasty.
Just inhaled a rat's nest.
Sure was. Hey John. You thinking what I'm thinking? You got 12 volts anywhere?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you know what you should do?
Oh yeah.
Reverse polarity.
Oh, it turned it into a vacuum.
It's a shop vac.
Dude, put a bag on this thing, you're laughing.
It doesn't have a whole lot of chutzpah, does it?
It just doesn't work as good. It does have a lot. Who knew a fan shroud would be so tough?
Oh no, there was still coolant in it. Oh, I see. Just point it up.
Wow, look at that engine now. What a behemoth. Wow, that's so much bigger than the engine that's in there. I'm gonna figure out how to get this transmission unbolted, but there's actually nothing left of this car underneath. I'm trying to figure out where to put jack stands. Don't park your car in the grass for 20 years. It's a bad move.
1979 Datsun ECU. Nissan, really, but still. Does this one say Datsun on the front still? We'll find out. 1979 Datsun ECU. It's been around the block a few times. Wonder what it looks like inside, if it's any good. It's heavy.
That's the frame, all right? That's the floor. So the frame used to be on this side. The whole frame used to be there. All that's left is some brake lines somehow. Bro, that sucks.
You want to see the magic of Scott? Watch this. Watch. Wait. He did it. That's the main harness. My man's crazy. Goes that way too. We'll figure that out. That looks like just powers and grounds to me. It's over there. That's actually the main harness, right there. We may still have a chance at running this thing on that old ECU for fun.
Surprisingly, I got one of the transmission mount bolts out, and I'm working on number 2 right now. Luckily, it only has 2. And it's going pretty good. Get on there! Got it. Get on there. Hey Nathan, can you slide me that 3/8 ratchet that's right beside you? Thank you.
Is that gonna mess with you, John?
No, you're good.
Make sure it's not gonna drop on him.
Make sure it's not gonna drop on you.
Oh, you're good.
Okay.
He's good.
All right, he's good. Send it.
Lots of mud wasps.
We're ready for a crane out here, I think, John. What do you got? It's almost pulling time. Gotta get the crane ready, get the chain set up on it. We gotta hook this thing on the front so that we can kind of let it tilt back and up and out. Go down a little bit and see if it goes forward. Yeah. Move forward. Up.
Oh, I see what we're stuck on.
What is it?
It's the transmission mount is stuck in the body on this side.
Do you need to go down?
Let me just get a pry bar in there. It's just jammed.
I can hook further forward on this too.
Transmission's looking
We
pretty
gotta
free.
come up a little bit. I think we're on this cross member here. Yep.
Hey.
Yep. That's the stuff.
It's out. Coming down.
There it is.
Perfect.
Whoa. Should be fine.
It'll be fine.
What are we gonna do with this thing?
Nice scrap now. There's nothing left of it. We still have to get rid of the Miata too, so we can make room to do the rest of this build.
True.
But it's got no wheels. Or suspension.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough.
But I have an idea. It's on.
What is even happening?
Oh,
Dog.
the ratchet strap and she's good.
Okay. Can I push it over a little bit?
Careful. That's a slammed Datsun.
Yeah. Goes hard.
I don't think it'll roll like that. I think. All right. Nobody's standing in front of it. Can we push it off the front? Go for it.
Woo! I hate that.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
Holy brother. Hey.
That's much more stable now. It's not on that wood anymore.
Yep.